So we're unboxing the DJI Spark. I just got this. If you're gonna buy this, you can get this from almost anywhere for basically the same price. This is the Fly More combo, and this one is a little more expensive because it comes with the remote. If you buy just the basic one for $399, it's not gonna come with the remote, and you have to use your smartphone to do it. And from what I picked up is that it's better to have it with the, you get more out of having the remote, and with the remote you can still use your smartphone on it, so it's best to go with this one. Let's go ahead and open this up. Open this up. Oh, nice. It's done. You can see how nice and small this box is. So just the box already is already small, and we're gonna pull this up. Pull out the bag. Ooh. Pull out this bag, and we have a box in here, and that's it. So to open the carrying case, we're gonna open it from the top, just like this. We have the charger. Oh, we have the controls. Feels really heavy. Nice. Feels really nice and heavy. Open up, and you can see it can take. You can see right here, you can put a smartphone, probably up to a small tablet in there. All your controls is on there. Let's see what else is in here. You have 4 blade guards on there. You have your USB cord right here, cable right here for charging. That's all that come in the case. It's a foam box. And you can open that out, and ooh. These are the extra blades. These are really small. It's about 2 inches long. It's 2 inches long. So you have 4 extra blades. You have 2 here and you have 2 here. Wow. Comes with 2 batteries, by the way, guys. Comes with 2 batteries. There's a battery already here, there's a battery here, so you have 2 batteries flying. Each battery should give you around 16 minutes, which in real world is like about 12 minutes. So you might get about 11 minutes flight time, especially if you're recording. But this is it. This is it, guys. Right here. Your battery. Just pull out. Just like that. Push it back in. Your 1080p camera right here, your sensor right here, so you can control it like with your hands right here. That's really cool. So here you have a charging pad, and this will charge up to 3 batteries, just like that. So this is gonna connect in here. Just pull this out. I did go ahead and get some extra batteries. These I will leave all the link down below in the description. This you can get on Amazon. I think they cost about $98 for 2. Here we go. 2 extra batteries. So you can see they all charging and they all blinking. So that's pretty good. Next thing you want to do really is to get your cell phone. You want to go to the store, to the app store, and download the DJI app. It's a large app. You're gonna download it, and as soon as we're done, we're gonna take this baby up. it.